Did you know about the amazing health benefits of cinnamon? This aromatic spice, often associated with sweet treats and warm drinks, offers a wealth of health benefits that could make a significant difference in your life. Firstly, cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is so rich in antioxidants that it even outperforms superfoods like garlic and oregano. Secondly, cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be beneficial in small doses, helping the body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, chronic inflammation can lead to severe health problems. Cinnamon can help reduce this harmful inflammation. Thirdly, cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels and has a potent anti-diabetic effect. It slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which moderates the rise in blood sugar after meals. Moreover, cinnamon can mimic insulin, a hormone that regulates metabolism and energy use. Fourthly, cinnamon may help protect against heart disease. It reduces levels of total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while maintaining levels of HDL cholesterol, the so-called good cholesterol. Lastly, cinnamon may even assist in the fight against neurological disorders. Some studies suggest that it could be beneficial in managing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So to recap, cinnamon is not just a delicious spice to add depth to your dishes and warmth to your drinks. It is a potent antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory agent, a blood sugar regulator, a potential heart disease combatant, and may even help guard against neurodegenerative diseases. It's clear that the humble cinnamon stick or even a sprinkle of ground cinnamon packs a powerful health punch. So, why not add a dash of cinnamon to your morning coffee, sprinkle it on your oatmeal, or incorporate it into your cooking? To harness the true power of cinnamon, try to add Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon to your diet today. With cinnamon, a little goes a long way in not just enhancing flavor, but also in boosting your health. So here's to a healthier cinnamon-infused life. Like and subscribe for more nutritional news.